Okay, time for a new series. This is a freshly baked WAD, hot out of the oven. Literalism, which is a community project by MFG38, I think, where the goal was basically to give the mappers a random name for a map. For example, I don't know, Albino Lullaby or something. And the mapper was supposed to make a map based on that name. So I purposefully try to not look at the development thread too much, because I was really curious what would mappers do. So yeah, this is a MAP01, which is called, let me just, the imp engine. Okay. I do want a shotgun, so please, thank you. Well, so while playing this, I will actually try to think a bit about what would I do with such a name. Oh, okay, this was obviously a secret. It was kind of obvious that one of these was a secret, since I could, you know, climb atop these crates. So I will actually try to think what would I make if I was given such a name in the imp engine. And the first thing I can actually think about is something like a, I don't know, I guess some kind of map where you face an engine, kind of like, I don't know, like some kind of contraption made out of lifts and whatnot. Which spews imps. Okay, that's nice. Oh. Okay. Okay. Well, this is the release candidate number 1, so there is some issues. It seems. Yeah, there was a home. Oh. Okay. This could be it. Oh, actually, I have the blue armor, so that's... I do like this room. I like this room. I mean, it's just 64 by 64 blocks, but it's so effective. Okay. That's 2 revenants. Yeah, unfortunately, revenants are a bit shorter than what their sprites would lead you to believe. Lead you to believe, I won't say. Okay. There's one more revenant, right? Yep. So far it's quite easy. I mean, it's MAP01, so I'm not expecting something bull busting. 20 more monsters. Crushers, okay. That's an engine. That's engine-like. Okay, this is a reverse crusher. Oh, okay. Escape. It's a fast crusher, so it wouldn't kill you, but at the same time... Okay, I don't like this. Those are too small. Okay. Oh, do I just run here? I think that edge is okay. safe, I mean. I will tank these fireballs, I don't care, I just don't wanna get crushed. Five more enemies. Okay, nice. Three more enemies. Archvile? No imps. Okay, that's the map then. That was the imp engine by the project lead, MFG38. I don't know, I'm slightly disappointed maybe. The map is it's serviceable. The MIDI is fine. I like the MIDI. There was a nice room, but I don't think the map really. I mean, there were imps, so I'm gonna say, you know, that is the one part of the promise has been delivered. The second though engine, there were crushers, but I don't know. I feel like something more could have been done with this concept. I don't know. I'm not gonna bake seat map, so well, I mean it's MAP01, so I suppose it's not really going to blow anyone's socks off. Difficulty-wise, I mean. But yeah, it's a bit unassuming, I suppose, for an opener. In the next one, we're going to be playing the MAP02, Cosmic Echo Demons. See you in the next one.